Hey guys, welcome back to another update on Hurricane Barbara and Tropical Storm Cosme, which is soon expected to become a hurricane. Also, we got an area of interest again in the Eastern Pacific. Obviously, the same one I showed you. Obviously, I'll go into more detail when that one's actually properly going to form. But we have Tropical Storm Barbara right now. It has winds. Let me see if I can hold it. Okay. So here's the cone right now. It's meant to be rapidly weakening. So it's meant to get to 75 miles an hour, then 45, and obviously weaken as it heads to the Socorro Islands. But right now it's 75 miles an hour. Pressure of I think pressure of 991 millibars. Moving northwest at 10 miles an hour. It would die off by tomorrow into Wednesday. But then we got Tropical Storm Cosme, which is 994 millibars. And that's expected to become a hurricane. 65 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 6 miles an hour. Center location at 14.5 degrees north and 103.3 degrees west. On Monday, June 9th, 2025, advisory 8 as of MST time. You can see the cone here. This is the cone of uncertainty becoming a hurricane. It is meant to be peaking, I think, at 80 miles an hour or 75 miles an hour. Yeah, the peak is at 75 miles an hour. So you can see it jumps up about 10 miles an hour, 65 to 70, 70, 60, 30, 35, and then 30, of course. So, yeah, this is some much needed A's for the East Pack, of course. Obviously, the East Pack starting up early. Obviously, we've got this area of interest here. I'll bring you on to the satellite image. Right. On tropical tidbits right now, we have got Hurricane Barbara right now. This is Hurricane Barbara as of right now. Looking a bit worse for wear, if you ask me. There is a little bit of convection wrapping around. Obviously, it's near the Socorro Islands, which the Socorro Islands are here. These are the Socorro Islands. So it is meant to be weakening a little bit. It's getting a bit of wind shear though from Tropical Storm Cosme or Cosme. But if you see early on in the run, look, I mean, it did look alright. It looked alright earlier on in the run. If you see here, because obviously it did have convection, but it had inflow, and obviously it had like convection. But then look at that. Look at that convection. It died off, and obviously then we had like a massive burst of convection there. And then obviously then, it turned into this area of convection there. So it looks like this storm's not weakening just yet. Now, time for Tropical Storm Cosme, which I believe right now is not a hurricane. I don't think. Barbara's 65 miles an hour. Cosme's 60 knots. Cosme is weakening. I think Cosme is not going to get hurricane status because there's wind shear of Barbara impacting this system. You can see there's a westerly wind shear here, which is blowing on Cosme from Barbara Obviously, because it's doing the Fujiwara effect. If you don't know what that is, guys, it's where two storms dance around each other. So, like, say you have, like say this storm here, and you got Barbara here. Because Barbara's stronger, it will make Cosme move towards the north, and then make Barbara move towards the south, and that's when they do a dance around each other. And then Barbara will eventually suck Cosme's convection and circulation into its eye wall, and then that's results of when they either get stronger or weaker or stay the same intensity. But you can see Cosme right now is being sheared, and you can see on high res that it is being sheared, because you can look on visible high res, unless it's just the actual storm itself, because you can see it looks good on satellite, but you can also see the wind shear. Look at the wind shear. That's how strong it is, because that's also from Barbara, which is over here. You can see Barbara's outflow over here. You can see the Secaucus Islands up there. So as soon as Barbara moves out, this storm should be alright. You can see, look, you can see, look, this storm looks like a mess. This storm looked like a mess earlier, because you saw this part of the storm. Look at that part of the storm had a bit of wind shear on it, and now still got a bit of wind shear on it from this part of the system. But you can see it's got wind shear on it. Reason why, look at the cirrus clouds. They are moving faster than I expected. So this has wind shear on it. Now, whether this becomes a hurricane or not, it looks good on satellite, but it looks terrible on IR. Barbara looks good on satellite, but it looks absolute dreadful on IR. But Barbara looks good on its earlier stage. Look, Barbara looked good when it was a hurricane. You know, blowing up convection, had a good rounded symmetrical eye. You can see that Cosme is over here. You can see the convection wrapping around. As you can see, though, the storm moves out towards the west. You can see that. Look at, right, there's Cosme just off your screen. Here, watch Cosme. Moves away a little bit. Still has the outflow bands of Thingy. Of Barbara. But yeah, look at, this is Barbara right now. I mean, it is looking decent. I wouldn't say it looks like a proper fully fledged hurricane, but it looks good. It looks good. Now, show the forecast model ones. Could be talking about Barbara and Cosme now for the past 8 minutes. North Atlantic then. The Atlantic's been awfully quiet, which is a surprise. But June 19th is when we should be getting a weak tropical storm. And we could get a second storm on June 25th, which is on a Wednesday. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to, like, comment, subscribe, share. See you all in the next video. Stay safe, and from these hurricanes and typhoons and all that. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. See you all in the next video. Peace, and have a great day.